President Biden's attention today will turn to the issue of reproductive rights, including women's access to abortions.
He'll take part in a virtual forum today outlining federal efforts to help women who must cross state lines to get the procedure, but it's not the only front in this fight.
Julian has details on other abortion conflicts after Supreme Court justices overturned Roe v. Wade back in June.
That's right. Justice Department officials are using federal courts to sue Idaho over the state's abortion restrictions. It's the first of what could be many lawsuits in the aftermath of Roe's reversal. Idaho's trigger ban goes into effect August 25th. DOJ leaders say the state's near-total abortion ban could put women in emergency situations in danger. They say it could keep women from getting treatments that would save their lives. The Idaho ban would also allow prosecution of doctors for providing abortions. Critics say the law will make providers less willing to perform abortions even in those emergency situations. The law supporters say there are options women could seek in those emergencies. Meanwhile, Kansas voters appear to want abortion rights in the state to be protected. They've rejected a measure that would allow a Republican-controlled legislature to tighten abortion restrictions or ban it outright. State leaders believe Kansas is setting an example for states across the country who have yet to vote on abortion rights.
We do not want the government making our health care decisions for us in Kansas.
Legal experts say if the legislation had passed, it would have paved the way for the state legislature to ban abortion. So what is next for Kansas and those on the other side of the pro-choice movement? A spokesperson for Kansans for Life, a major political group that opposes abortion rights, says that the vote is a temporary setback and the organization remains dedicated to continuing its work opposing abortion. Lawmakers in the state say that abortion opponents will need to look at new restrictions to try to decrease the number of abortions in the state. The vote could also be telling about what could be expected for similar elections nationwide. Turnout for the primary in the state soared above usual levels and in some counties was closer to the participation usually seen in a presidential election.